Hi guys, my name is Julián Palacio, and today I want to talk about my town, El Carmen de Viboral. The section I chose is What to Do because I really enjoy the activities you can do here, and I think they represent the sense of my town. In El Carmen de Viboral, there are many interesting activities you can do you can do. First, you should visit the local cafes to enjoy a pleasant afternoon with friends. The weather is fresh, so spending time there is very relaxing. You can also go walking through the rural areas. If you like nature, you will love the landscapes and the peaceful environment. Walking there is one of the best ways to disconnect from stress. Another great activity is eating at local restaurant. You must you must try the Japanese Korean restaurant because the food is amazing. If you go there, you may discover new flowers and have a unique experience. You can also explore the shopping passage and ceramic stores. If you visit the place, you will find handmade products that represent the culture of my town. Um, In conclusion, El Carmen de Viboral is a calm and beautiful place with many activities to enjoy. If you visit this town, you will have a relaxing and memorable experience. Thank you for watching and goodbye.